So, simulan natin sa pagsasolve ng quadratic equation using quadratic formula. Pag magsasolve ka ng quadratic equation using quadratic formula, unahin mong siguraduhin na naka-standard form na equation mo. Pag naka-standard form na equation mo, lahat ng term, quadratic term, linear term, saka constant term, nasa kabilang side ng equation, tapos equal to 0. Then, kunin mo yung value ng A, B, saka C. So, dito, ang value ng A ay 1, value ng B ay negative 6, then ang value ng C ay positive 5. Then, gamitin mo na yung quadratic formula. Yung quadratic formula is x is equal to negative b positive negative square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Then, substitute mo lang yung nakuha mong value ng a, b, saka c. So, substitute natin or ipalit mo lang yung nakuha mong value ng a, b, and c dito sa formula natin. So, i-substitute lang po natin. So, we will have x is equal to negative b, or dito yung value ng c ng b natin is negative 6. So, we'll have negative 6 positive negative square root of negative 6 square minus 4 times yung value ng a, which is 1, times yung value ng c, which is 5. Okay, so substitute mo lang yan dyan. All over 2 times the value of a, which is 1. Then, pag substitute mo na yan, so ito yung buong substitute na natin, pwede mo nang i-manipulate yung equation. So, negative times negative 6, dito ka magsisimula. Negative times negative is positive, so positive 6, positive negative square root of, ito tayo sa loob ng radical sign, so negative 6 square, that will be negative 6 times negative 6, so that is positive 36. Then, negative 4 times 1, that is negative 4, times 5, that will be negative 20. Pag nahirapan ka doon, simulan mo muna sa number. 4 times 1, 4 times 5, 20. Then, isunod mo yung sign. Negative times positive, that will be negative, times positive again, negative pa rin. All over yung denominator natin, 2 times 1, so 2. Then, 36 minus 20, that is, so this is 6 positive negative square root of 36 minus 20 is 16 all over 2. Ngayon, ito, pinakabisado ko to sa inyo, diba? So, ano yung square root ng 16? So, ang square root ng 16 ay 4. So, you'll have 6 positive negative 4 all over 2. So, mula dito, pwede mo nang kunin yung value ng x sub 1 saka ng x sub 2. So, yung x sub 1, yung unang value natin, magiging 6 positive 4 over 2 or 6 plus 4 over 2. Ano ba yung 6 plus 4? That will be 10 over 2 or positive 5. So, yun yung unang value natin. Tayo sa pangalawang value. Kung kanina, yung positive 4, syempre yung negative 4. So, magiging 6 minus 4 all over 2 or 2 over 2, which is equal to 2 divided by 2, 1. Ito na yung pangalawang value natin.